1 week ago, Gala Games released Town Crush, their test game for the new Gala chain. The game is accessible to all Gala users and is free to play. The goal for Gala Games is to test the new blockchain under load. Let's have a look at it in this particular video. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Town Crush is an obvious clone of Candy Crush. Your goal is to mix and match 3 items of the same type and score as many points as possible. The items are elements from Town Star, such as crops, fruits, or even special equipment and buildings. The game is divided into levels, and the developers didn't specify how many levels there are. However, you can monitor all moves in the Gala chain through the Block Explorer, so you might be able to find out by doing a little digging. Town Crush uses a real on-chain token named Test. The token cannot be exchanged or traded, it's not listed on any decentralized exchange, and will not have any monetary value. You will be asked to accept to hold it in your Gala wallet, but that's it, no other steps necessary. Once in the game, you will earn Test by completing levels, and you can spend them buying more lives or bombs to clear out the goals faster. Gala Games already stated this is not a polished title they'd normally release, and it's only meant to be a test for their upcoming Gala chain. It's designed to perform more operations than necessary on the chain and to stress it out as much as possible. The main objective of the game is to find all flaws before the public release of the chain. Players are encouraged, but not rewarded, to find bugs. This is an odd choice, as a bug bounty reward system could have brought talented QA testers into the game. Gala Chain is a dictionary name. The Gala Games team didn't confirm the name of the blockchain, and right now it's actually called Project Gyri. The face of Project Gyri. Gala Games is delighted to announce the alpha release of Town Crush, a brand new Match 3 game created by Town Star art director Warren Marshall and a few select rock stars from the Gala Games team. You may have seen a couple leaks in the Gala Gold channel of the Discord server over the last few weeks, but all in all, we have done an incredible job of keeping this one under wraps until today. Town Crush open testing is the first phase of Project Gyri, the testing and preparation process that will lead us to final migration to Gala's blockchain, final name TBA. This game is built on Gala's chain and will demonstrate many of the various operations of the blockchain that will be used by the entire ecosystem in the future. After all this information from our side, let me tell you what Gala Games officials said about this game's token named Test Token. Test Token. A key component of this test is a new temporary token called Test. It exists on the Project Gyri blockchain, which is currently referred to on the Gala Games platform as Gala Chain. Here are some important things to know about Test. When you first launch the game, you will be prompted to grant an allowance for your Test tokens to be spent. This is to allow in-game purchases with Test tokens, which may be implemented at a future phase of Project Gyri. This allowance concept is just another taste of the features you can expect to see in the blockchain that they are building. The officials said, "We realize you do not yet have any Test in your inventory, but you may at some point in this testing process. Test is a real token on Gala's chain, but it is not transferable and has no monetary value whatsoever. It exists solely to test the chain. Test has no value. Test is not transferable." Now let's look at how to play. This is simple. If you have a Gala Games account, you're ready to start playing Town Crush right now. Just head to Gala Games, find Town Crush, click play, and start playing right in your browser. Gather as many points as you can to complete levels and take the farmer further down the path. You'll earn stars as your complete levels. Then use those stars to buy extra lives or executioner chicken bombs for a quick edge in-game. If you run out of lives, don't worry. You'll be given free lives to play with every so often, whether or not you win. To actually play the Match 3 game, all you need to do is tap and drag to switch one symbol with another adjacent symbol. It won't allow you to make the switch unless it's a color match. Hint: look for combos and chain reactions. You aren't timed, but you only have a certain amount of moves to reach the required points for the level. One more thing, guys. Using the live Block Explorer, you can watch all blockchain actions taking place in the game. Even for those without a deep understanding of how blockchains work, this is a fascinating process, and we hope that it will be a great learning experience for all of you. Now you must be thinking, why do we need Test? They want to bring as many people as possible into this initial playtest in the hope not that we power through the strain, but that they learn the breaking points. Small issues in execution are to be expected, and in many situations, they are actually beneficial to us because they allow them to learn something that could prevent something worse down the line. This game may look incredible, but remember that it is not an example of a fully polished, release-ready Gala game. Town Crush was conceived and created entirely as a test, and while the creators did an extraordinary job, it should not be taken as a fully developed or complete game. Instead, enjoy it for what it is, a really fun test for the blockchain of our future. They are not releasing a game that we typically would. They have intentionally created more interactions on the chain than necessary in an attempt to locate the breaking point. If the game falls over, they will have found some limits and can better identify bottlenecks, allowing us to support much larger audiences from much larger games. Here's an announcement from the side of Gala Games officials regarding feedback from us means their followers and users. Officials said, "As part of the testing process, we welcome all your feedback in Discord and we know you'll be on the lookout for bugs, no matter how small. We appreciate your help in locating these bugs and we reserve the right to allocate rewards if and as we see fit. It's possible that at a later phase of Project Gyri we will use some kind of bug bounty program, but there are no bounties at this time. Remember that a bug in Town Crush gameplay does not necessarily mean there is a bug in the blockchain. Rest assured that any bugs located will be eradicated before the migration. All these decisions made by Gala is making it more and more strong. According to me, Gala Games is a blockchain game startup created with assistance from Zynga co-founder Eric Schiermeier and is promising exciting things. At Zynga, Schiermeier was a proponent of casual games that could appeal to everyone, such as Zynga Poker and moreover Farmville. At Gala Games, his team, including lead game designer Michael McCarthy, has created the popular play-to-earn competitive farming game Town Star. Furthermore, Gala's footprint in the music world is growing. Recently, they collaborated with world-famous rapper Snoop Dogg on his new music-themed project Stash Boxes. These NFTs dropped on the official Gala Music website and represent the rapper's new Back on Death Row album NFTs. The introduction of its blockchain from which to operate sees Gala follow a similar trajectory as Axie Infinity with Ronin and Defy Kingdom's DFK chain. Gala wants to build its thriving ecosystem away from networks like Ethereum and other Layer 1 and 2 solutions. The native Gala token is currently the 75th cryptocurrency with a market cap of $1.6 billion. Its current price is around $0.2, and it has increased 671% in the last 12 months. Share your own thoughts in the comments, guys. And that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.